don't care. So can you tell them where are we?
Actually, we are in Kampala, the Kampala city, the capital city of Uganda, and we are actually at the CBD right here.
How?
We did a shopping. That was like, you see now, how do I look? I look smart. That's in the courtesy of my brother. So no, bro, thank you. Hey man, Dubai. hey man, you're full of.
Yo, hello guys, what's up my good people? In case you are new, please subscribe, comment, guys, share. I would appreciate, guys. I'm in Kampala, but we just explore at evening because we are live at evening right here to Entebbe airport. As you see, the city is shining like crazy. And without you to forget, I'm with one of you. Eh?
Yes, Claude Joseph over here.
Yes. You know?
Take me out of it by Claude Joseph.
Yes. Yeah, so, you know, sometime in a town it's really hard to make a video, but you know what? Burundian traveler don't care. So can you tell them where are we?
Actually, we are in Kampala, the Kampala city, the capital city of Uganda, and we are actually at the CBD right here.
How we got ourselves right here?
Yes, like it's like crazy. You know, my brother is like on planning.
Yeah.
He's like, we move, we go. So like,
If we go, we go.
we go. Forward ever, backward never.
This man. This man. Woo. And traffic jam over here in Kampala is.
This is the nature.
Yeah.
Kampala, traffic jam is everywhere.
It's actually their nature.
Yeah, it's their nature.
You must get it. Craziest motorbike.
You're not careful here. It's on your phone. Can you go? This is the small. This is the other Nairobi now.
When you start to see more people like that, you know, be careful. Actually, I used to see guys hide. So, oh my God.
This is crazy. CBD.
Yeah, this is a really CBD, and actually it's at evening. We are trying to take. I'm trying to take my brother. Maybe you don't have more experience about Kampala, right?
Not that much. It's not that much.
So
I was once here, but not that much.
yeah.
To be honest, not that much.
And the really truth, I'm just taking him maybe in Kampala. I'm taking him to Kampala so that maybe we can have something to buy, like to buy something, right?
Yes, sir. Have to do some more shopping here.
Yeah.
Let's see what's going on.
My brother need to buy something right here. And I said, why not? I must take you and show you where you can get it. I think even we have to pass it right there.
Go downwards?
Yeah, this one. This way, yeah. Guys, this is Kampala at evening actually. Whoa.
Pass.
Yeah, you must try, you know. Hey, to cross also the road. Very hard. Eh?
So let's move now. Here's the downtown where we can get each and every stuff.
Yeah,
They sell electronics here.
I think, but I'm not sure. Maybe there is a way we are going to search, but I don't know if it's on this side. I think that side. There's somewhere we can get what my brother is searching, but I don't know if it's this route. I think it's this one. Yeah, it's this one. Let's try to go in.
Uganda.
This is Uganda, Kampala.
Uganda.
Yeah.
Uganda. Kampala. This is Kampala.
How do you see Uganda? Uganda, can you compare it with the Nairobi?
You know Nairobi very well. You know Nairobi. It's something that is not comparable. You know Nairobi very well. Something that is not comparable. Let's see how much one is it there. Let's see. Kenya is 28.5. So it's slow. The other
But
lane
here is
that
at
one.
least to that one.
Here is the-
I wanted to change, but I saw something crazy. Guys, this is Kampala. Yeah, I thought it's this one.
Downwards?
Yeah. No, not down. It's this one.
But I told you this other side is super hectic.
Woo.
Then we go downwards. This one.
Guys, this is the Kampala.
Don't run, bro.
Eh.
Okay, now we can go.
Yeah, we can
Super
learn.
beautiful, bro.
Yeah, maybe we can pass this way.
Yeah.
Okay. More beautiful and amazing.
Beautiful Kampala City.
Yeah.
Kampala City.
One of the beautiful and beautiful also African city.
Africanicity.
Not city.
Africanicity.
Yeah.
So Africanicity means togetherness.
Eh?
Africanicity.
Yeah.
Say Africanicity.
Meaning what?
Togetherness, maybe.
Oh, are you city? Are you really? I think the place I saw them is just somewhere there. Let's go and see.
Be careful with this dog. So we cannot use this.
Okay.
What is the route?
Okay. Wow. See how the place looks like. And it's actually in the city, you know.
Super beautiful.
Yes. Really has to take a place right here. We can go, if you need maybe to get it, we can go to the you know, you can go to the downtown or maybe somewhere there. Sure, I'm sure we'll get it. Yeah?
Finish shooting the video.
Oh,
If we'll concentrate on shooting the video and on the other stuff, we'll get, maybe we are speaking things which are not okay. So let us first explore,
yeah.
and then we go to other stuff.
Good.
This is the other part of the CBD. This looks more clean. This looks more clean than the other place.
Than any other place inside of the city. Yeah. For sure, for sure.
This has a newly built
buildings. Wow. Welcome to Kampala. Welcome to Kampala. Yes, I think it's somewhere there. Guys, we are in our beautiful apartment over here. Hope you see. We're going to sleep here, but today in Kampala, no, in Entebbe, but in Uganda, you know. Yeah, but I have another plan, which my brother don't know, and he is just right there, chatting. Hey, what's up, guys? Hey, do I look new? Let me know, guys. Like, how do I look? Look at my outfit. Show them how I look. I look new. The guy is no fuengo. We're from market now, just in Kampala. Then I said, let me also surprise my brother something. We don't know what we are going to do by tomorrow, so I'm gonna show him something right here. Guess what, bro? Yes? I need to show you something. What is that, bro? Something. You are full of surprises. It, guys. Don't say that now we had to hit the road this morning again, because we have to do videos in. Can you see it? Yes, guys. I think I was showing you this. I don't know if you can see it well, but guess what? This is a visa. Yeah. Bro? Yes. This is yours, bro. What? This, and I think it's this. What is this? TSC. General Directorate of Business and Foreign Affairs. This one. Dubai! No, Dubai, bro. Yeah, we go. Let me see. My name. No, bro. Thank you. Hey, man. Dubai. Hey, man. You're full of surprises, bro. I never expected this, actually. Hey. How do you think, bro? Actually, to be honest, man, I never expected this, bro. Yeah, don't worry, bro. So, like, we have been hitting the road for 48 hours, and hey, man. Bro, don't worry, you know. So, guys, not from my power, but raise my like Dubai. Dubai. Yeah? What am I seeing right here, man? Is it reality or I'm just dreaming? Here we go. It's just but a dream, man. Be like totally like. So, guys, today, like when we arrived from Burundi to now to Uganda, that was the international airport, that is Entebbe. My brother took me to said like we are going direct to Kampala. So we went to Kampala and he was like, hey man, we have to do shopping because I came here without a bag. So like we were sharing the same bag. So we went there yesterday. We did a shopping. That was like, you see now how do I look? I look smart. That's the courtesy of my brother. So we bought this and it was like, hey man, choose any bag you want. So with me, I chose this. It's a traveler's bag.
It's a traveler's bag, and you know, I just came with 2 clothes, just 2 clothes. So he was like, "Hey man, we also bought this."
So after we come from there,
so I was like, "Why are
I
you
used
doing
it to
this?"
show the guy. Actually, this one I did all this while I was in Burundi. But for sure, guys, bro, let me tell you, don't even thank me, because not me actually. It's from the people who are watching over there. Some of them feel to support slowly. Then I saw like, okay, I cannot leave my brother also. So if I can, man, let me do this and this. Then I asked for support, like someone who supplies me with a flight. Can you also help my brother in Kenya?
Guys,
Told me, don't worry.
for the one who did this, I don't know how I can stand for it.
God bless.
May Almighty God bless you abundantly, and in all your endeavors, in all that you look for, may you get it twice and double. May Almighty God bless you abundantly. A flight to Dubai, like, to be honest, let me tell you, to be honest, I've been hearing about Dubai, how good it is, how it is, but now you see, like, holding a visa, or just like, or this is not me.
That is you, bro. You
So,
don't remember
guys,
the time I asked you the picture, like,
my brother was like,
me
we need to do something, like, he was like, can you help me with your passport picture? And we're like, oh, what for? Okay, with me, because whatever I have we share together. He said like, okay, I gave him my passport, and he was like, okay, do this and this, and I gave him. But me, to be honest, I never knew that this was happening. So he's like, hey, you have a passport? Yes. So we started traveling, because I thought it was a 3-day journey to and fro, but he was like, let's proceed here, and I was like, wow, bro, may Almighty bless you, man.
Bless all the people who are watching there.
Guys,
bless all who are supporting.
let me give a quick experience, guys. Thou shall you like reject someone, or thou shall you look bad at someone, because the day we met with my brother, if I could have rejected him,
you were supposed, because I was in refugee camp, talk to him, like, you know, like, bro, can you send me money, like 100 for MBs? The guy sent to me, you know. In refugee camp, actually, I didn't had a job, you know. Left there is just like jail, you are inside, you know. You don't go out. So guys, he was someone also to reject me, like, this refugee boy from Burundi, even.
That's how you reject, guys. Yeah. Be kind to everyone.
That is true. So this is a thing which came from far. So guys, as we already did this, just wait for our destination soon. By tomorrow we travel again. Bye bye.
Thank you, guys. May Almighty God bless you abundantly. For the one who did this, may God bless you 1,000 times. And for all our subscribers and all who watch these videos, don't skip the ads. Almighty God bless you all, guys. Stay tuned, and thank you, bro.
You're welcome.
Almighty God bless you, man. Look how I look. I look so smart.
Bye bye then.
Wow. Thank you, bro.
Oh, bye bye.
Bye.